Good day, welcome to my channel. If you are new, kindly like, subscribe and share. Today I will discuss how to use AutoClicker. And before I continue, I want to say we should use it responsibly because some experienced complete wipe for the past Notcoin because the algorithm flagged their account, their wallet of using bots to mine. So they wiped off their token. So I don't want that to happen also. Like if you have to use a auto clicker for your airdrop, kindly use responsibly. Again, kindly use responsibly. Okay, so let's go back to the main purpose for this video. I'll show us today the right auto clicker to use and how to use it. Okay, and I'll be using TAPSWAP to show an example. Okay, then open your TAPSWAP. If you haven't start TAPSWAP, okay, I will send the link I'll put the link on the description section so you can use the link there. Okay, if you already started, I will show you on how to use the auto clicker. Okay, let's get started. Then open start now on your TAPSWAP just to ready your interface. Good. Then go to either Play Store or what do you call it, or App Store for iPhone, and you search for auto clicker. I already installed it, so I just want to show us how to go about it. You can see auto clicker. Then there's different type of auto clicker, but the one I always advise to use is when you check for the one with a good rating and the one that has more downloads. Those kind of app tends to last longer, you understand, and they are safer to use. So I choose this. This app is what has 100 million downloads and the rating is pretty good. So I would advise us to use this particular auto clicker. So I've downloaded it. If you haven't downloaded, just click on download, then you'll be able to open. Yeah, on this auto clicker, there's two ways you can use the auto clicker. Either you use the single target mode or you use the multiple target mode. But the single target mode is just like, you see, it's just only one node. Let me cancel. Right? And for the multiple target node, you can enable multiple nodes. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I can separate it to anywhere I want it to be. Right? So let me cancel. Let me remove that. Another thing you can also do is to minimize the size of the pop-up or of the slide, right? So, but you have to just enable. Let me cancel this. Let me remove this node. You can see, and let me try to reduce it. It's not. Can you see it not reducing? But when you create one node and try to reduce it, it will reduce the size. So you can just hide it on your interface or on your screen, and it won't disturb your activities. So let's get started. And another thing I want us to note is, okay, let me cancel this first, is the settings. You can do some settings. So you can see the time below 40 milliseconds can freeze your device, meaning if you don't set below 40 milliseconds, you can set 45, 50. Just make it more similar to how you tap. So the bot or algorithm of any airdrop you are farming or mining won't flag you. So do you get my point? So basically that's how we work it. For me, what I just do is, I mine a lot, so I put it on 45 and I use single node mostly. But I use the multiple nodes to do my tapping, but I only enable single node. But in some situation where Okay, in some situation where I need this with just a little bit faster, right? I enable like 2-3 nodes. Good. So I'll just show you what I mean by that. So let's move forward. Okay, sometimes when you click on enable, you may have to do some permissions, right? You will give the auto clicker some permissions so it will be able to display on your device. Yeah. So you just give the permission and you'll be able to enable it. So let's go back to our type swap, right? Okay, this is my type swap. So I'll enable one node, right? And I'll start. I click on that play icon and to start mining. And if I want to increase, like add more nodes, I'll just stop it first. Then I'll increase my node. Can you see? Let me put one more. Can you see that? Now I'll increase it and I'll play. And keep on mining for me. I can choose to do what? To minimize it. Can you see that? And I'll move it to one side. And because I'm currently mining, so it's not really moving, right? Can you see that? So I can stop this, minimize, and move. Can you see that? So if I want to start mining again, let me try to boost so I can show you. Okay, I'll boost. So if I just click, and you remember the last time we minimized, the nodes are on the coin. So this time I don't need to maximize it again. I just need to just click on play and need to keep mining, right? So you can see, and the mining is pretty good, and you won't have to stress yourself, and you won't have to onto your fingers or nails for ladies. So that's all about type auto clicker. Yeah. So see you in the next video. Remember to like, share, and comment.